Welcome to our online tattoo training course overview. This is a sneak peek of the online back-end. Our courses are meticulously crafted, offering step-by-step instructions. There are many lessons to ensure we cover all aspects of the tattooing industry. With Skinart, you will dive deep into the fundamentals of tattooing, from understanding the human skin, needle depth, to mastering the art of linework, black work, and color tattoos. Whether you're a seasoned artist or someone without an artistic background, we've got you covered. You would be surprised how many great tattoo artists can't draw. This is because there are two main skills needed: technique and replication. With robust software tools and a plethora of helpful hints, you'll be producing professional-level artwork in no time. Get hands-on with both coil and rotary tattoo machines. Learn their intricacies, from assembly to tuning, ensuring you're equipped with the knowledge to handle any machine with confidence. Immerse yourself in the history of tattoos. From ancient traditions to modern art styles, understand the evolution of this captivating art form. We will also teach you how to navigate the business side of tattooing. From licensing requirements, town planning, running a home business, to understanding health and safety protocols, we ensure you're prepared not just as an artist, but as a professional. You will learn about aftercare, tattoo photography, and even master advanced techniques for social media promotion. And, of course, we emphasize the importance of health and safety. From personal protection, understanding risk levels, to sterilization and cross-contamination, we ensure you're equipped to provide a safe experience for every client. Your e-learning journey kicks off as soon as you sign up. You will engage with many hours of online theory training, complemented by assignments. In the meantime, if you had ordered the necessary equipment from us, we'll ship it right to your doorstep. Next, you will dive deeper with even more online content and assignments. Then you'll complete the course and receive your well-earned certificates. For those of you in or willing to travel to New Zealand or South Africa, we offer an in-person training course for a more hands-on learning experience. It's a fantastic opportunity to immerse yourself fully and get direct feedback from our experienced trainers. Prepare to etch your signature in the vibrant world of tattoo artistry. Whether you choose our online or in-person training, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Join us, and let's create art together. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content.